I went through 872 sales calls from the last 2 years, and I pulled out every single trading computer mistake traders admitted to making with their setup. 19 of them came up over and over. Now, some of these are going to sting a little bit, and a few of them you're probably doing right now while you watch this video. And one of them, number 14, it's the reason most traders blow up their first funded account. All right, let's go. Mistake number 1, trading on the same computer your kids use for homework. I can't tell you how many times I hear this. Eddie, my computer is fine. My daughter just uses it for school sometimes. No, a trading computer is a dedicated machine. No homework, no Roblox, no Fortnite, no email, no Netflix, period. Mistake number 2, believing your broker when they say, any computer will work. Of course they say that. Brokers are not hardware experts. They want you funded in trading as fast as possible. Saying you need a $3,000 specialized machine doesn't help them open accounts. It's like asking a restaurant if you should eat there. What do you think they're going to say? Mistake number 3, confusing fast internet with a fast computer. Here's a call I get almost every day. Eddie, I just upgraded to gigabit fiber. Why is my platform still lagging? Because your internet is not the bottleneck. Your 8-year-old Intel Core i7 processor and your DDI4 RAM are the bottleneck. Pouring fast-moving water into a clogged pipe doesn't unclog the pipe. Mistake number 4, trading on Wi-Fi. And if you guys have seen my videos before, I never stop on this one. Wireless signals bounce around your house, competing with your wife's phone, your kid's iPad, your Ring doorbell, your smart fridge, and your neighbor's network. Wi-Fi introduces latency that can cost you good executions. Hardwire your trading computer with an Ethernet cable directly into your router every single time. No exceptions. Mistake number 5, buying a gaming PC and calling it a trading computer. Just because it has an RTX graphics card and lights up like a Christmas tree doesn't mean it's built for trading. Gaming machines are optimized to render 3D textures at 240 frames per second. Trading machines are optimized to push real-time data across multiple monitors without choking. 2 totally different jobs. Mistake number 6, skimping on RAM. I know RAM is a fortune right now. It's like an absolute runaway train in terms of pricing. But if you're running NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim, and a couple of browser windows, and a news feed all on 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, which is the old generation, you're setting yourself up to crash at the worst possible moment. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM is the minimum for serious trading in 2026. 64 if you're running multiple trading platforms. Mistake number 7, using an old school spinning hard drive. If your computer still has one of those mechanical drives that sounds like a tiny washing machine when it boots up, please throw that computer in the trash. You need an NVMe solid state drive. The difference is like comparing a horse-drawn buggy to a Corvette Z06. Mistake number 8, buying off the shelf at Best Buy. Listen, I have nothing personal against Best Buy, but the laptops and desktops sitting on those shelves were designed for college students writing essays, not traders running 6 monitors and 3 platforms. You're paying for a machine that was never engineered for what you're about to put it through. Now look, before I get to mistake number 9, here's the thing. If any of this is hitting a nerve right now, I put together a free, complete guide to trading computers that walks you through exactly what specs you actually need, what you don't need, and how to avoid wasting your money on the wrong machine. Click the link in the description, grab it right now. All right, let's keep going. Mistake number 9, trusting the geek squad with your trading machine. You know those folks over at Best Buy who claim to do tech support? No offense to those folks, but they're trained to fix grandma's printer, not diagnose why your dome is freezing during the New York Open. When your machine goes down on a trading day, you need someone on the phone who understands what slippage costs you. You know, slippage, the price difference between what you intended to enter and your actual fill, not some minimum wage employee over at Best Buy. Mistake number 10, running Windows on the default settings. Windows 11 out of the box is bloated with things like telemetry, background services, animations, transparency effects, and 47 things you don't need running. Every one of those processors is stealing system resources from your trading platform. A stock Windows install is like driving a Ferrari with the parking brake on. Mistake number 11, skipping power protection. I had a customer last year lose his entire trading rig. 3 monitors, the tower, his router, to a single lightning strike. He didn't have a surge protector because, as he told me, his house had never been hit before. Now his account is down $3,900 in equipment, plus the trades he missed during the 2 weeks it took to replace everything. An uninterruptible power supply called the UPS keeps you trading even during brief power outages. And they also have built-in surge protection. Mistake number 12, using a wireless mouse and keyboard for trading. Now look, we offer wireless mice and keyboards all the time. We sell them all the time. And they're not bad. There's nothing wrong with them. But it does seem that mouse battery seems to go dead right when you're in the middle of a trade. It's happened to me dozens of times. So what I do, I keep a wired mouse plugged into the back of the computer that's hidden behind my speaker, and I can grab it if the wireless mouse battery goes dead. Mistake number 13, buying a Mac and then realizing none of the Series platforms run on it. NinjaTrader, Windows only. Sierra Chart, Windows only. Multi-Charts, Windows only. TradeStation Desktop, Windows only. And if you're trading futures or running anything beyond a basic browser-based platform, you need Windows. I don't make the rules. I'm not against Mac. Mistake number 14. This is the big one, the one that wipes out funded accounts. Not having a backup plan when your internet or your computer fails mid-trade. No mobile hotspot ready to go. No second device with the broker's app installed. No phone number for the trade desk saved in your phone. So when something breaks, and eventually something breaks, you're stuck watching your account hemorrhage with no way to flatten the position. This single mistake has blown up more funded accounts than any other. Mistake number 15, underestimating monitor refresh rates. If you're still running 60 Hertz monitors, your charts are physically rendering slower than the market is moving. Bump up to at least 120 Hertz. Once you see real-time price action at a fast refresh rate, you cannot go back. Mistake number 16, using cheap HDMI cables. People will spend $3,000 on a computer and then connect it to their monitors using $4 cables they found in a drawer from 2014. Those cables are rated for older standards, and they will absolutely cause flicker, dropouts, and resolution problems at the worst possible time. Use proper DisplayPort and HDMI cables rated for the resolution and the refresh rate that you're actually running. Mistake number 17, letting Windows Update install whenever it wants. There is nothing more demoralizing than sitting down at 9:25 in the morning, ready for the open, all excited, and seeing configuring updates. Please do not turn off your computer. 23% complete. Schedule your updates for the weekend. Take control. Don't let Microsoft decide when you trade. Mistake number 18, no antivirus, or worse, 3 different antivirus programs fighting each other. Windows Defender that comes built into Windows 11 is genuinely good. You don't need McAfee, Norton, and Malwarebytes all running simultaneously, scanning every file twice, eating 30% of your CPU before you even open a chart. One layer of protection. That's all you need. Mistake number 19, and honestly, this might be the most expensive one of all. Treating your trading computer as an expense instead of an investment. I hear this all the time. Eddie, I don't want to spend $2,500 on a trading PC. Okay, so you'd rather lose $2,500 in a single bad fill because your machine froze. You'd rather miss a $4,000 winner because Chrome crashed. The math here is brutal. If a proper trading computer prevents one missed trade, one bad fill, one frozen dome during a volatile market, it has already paid for itself, probably twice over. Your trading computer is the single most important piece of equipment in your business. It's not the chair, it's not the desk, it's not even the monitors. It's the machine that connects you to the market. It's your window to the markets. When it fails, your business stops. When it lags, your edge disappears. When it crashes, your account bleeds. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go through this video again. Go through these 19 mistakes one more time. Count how many you're making. If the number is 0, congrats. You're in the top 1% of traders. If the number is 3 or more, which is most people, you've got some work to do. And honestly, that's good news because every one of these is fixable and none of them require a PhD in computer science. They just require you to take this stuff just as seriously as you take your trading strategy. Because here's the uncomfortable reality that I've learned from listening to those 872 calls. The traders who blow up their accounts many times are never blowing up because of a bad strategy. They're blowing up because their hardware failed them at the exact moment they needed it most. And by the time they call me, they're not asking about specs. They're asking how to recover from a loss that never had to happen. Don't be that call. And dude, Why haven't you subscribed yet? Do yourself a favor, slam the subscribe button. I promise to keep generating tips to help you optimize your trading experience. And if you want to see the new ultimate computer for trading, if you're into AI trading bots, you want to see the tippy top, very best computer there is, take a look at this video right here, the ultimate computer for trading. You want to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.